Did you know about the amazing health benefits of eating raw onions every day? Yes, the humble onion, often overlooked in favor of flashier fruits and vegetables. Though they might make you cry or give you bad breath, these are small prices to pay for the wealth of nutrients they pack. Onions are more than just a cooking ingredient, they're a powerhouse of health benefits. So, let's put aside our misconceptions and get ready to peel back the layers. Stay tuned to uncover the surprising benefits of this everyday kitchen staple. Onions, especially when consumed raw, are packed with essential nutrients. Let's dive into the nutritional profile of these pungent powerhouses. Onions are rich in vitamin C, a nutrient known for its immune-boosting properties. They also supply our bodies with B vitamins, which play a pivotal role in maintaining optimal energy levels and brain function. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Onions are a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate fluid balance and nerve signals in our bodies. They're also abundant in dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and keeping our gut health in check. And let's not forget about their antioxidant properties. Onions contain various bioactive compounds that act as antioxidants, combating free radicals in our bodies and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. So by incorporating raw onions into your diet, you're not just adding a burst of flavor to your meals, you're also fueling your body with essential nutrients. With all these nutrients, it's no surprise that onions offer a wide array of health benefits. Let's dive into the health benefits of eating raw onions every day. First, we have the heart. Raw onions are loaded with antioxidants and compounds like quercetin and sulfur, which can significantly reduce high blood pressure and protect against blood clots. They're a heart's best friend, really. Next, let's talk about blood sugar. Raw onions contain chromium, a trace mineral that helps regulate blood sugar levels. Incorporating onions into your diet can contribute to a more balanced and controlled blood sugar profile. Third, let's not forget about our digestive system. Raw onions are packed with dietary fiber that promotes good digestive health. They act as a probiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. Lastly, for this part, onions enhance immune function. High in vitamin C, they support the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for a robust immune response. But that's not all. There's more to this wonder vegetable. The benefits of raw onions extend beyond just physical health. They also play a significant role in our body's overall well-being. Let's delve deeper into the remaining 4 benefits. First up, raw onions can help improve bone density. They are rich in a compound known as GPCS, which has been linked to maintaining and promoting bone health, especially for women who are going through or have passed menopause. Consuming raw onions can be a simple yet effective way to combat osteoporosis and keep those bones strong. Next, we have the anti-inflammatory properties of raw onions. The presence of quercetin, a powerful antioxidant, helps to reduce inflammation in the body. This can be particularly beneficial for those dealing with conditions like arthritis or asthma. Moving on, raw onions have potential cancer-fighting properties. Several studies suggest that the sulfur compounds found in onions may reduce the risk of certain types of cancers, including stomach and colorectal cancer. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings. Finally, raw onions can have positive effects on skin and hair health. They are packed with vitamins A, C, and E, which are known for promoting skin health and boosting hair growth. So if you're looking for a natural way to achieve that youthful glow or lush locks, raw onions might just be your answer. Indeed, the humble onion is a powerhouse of health benefits. So we've learned about the incredible health benefits of eating raw onions every day. From boosting your immunity with their potent antioxidants to helping control blood sugar levels, these humble bulbs pack a punch. They also provide a healthy dose of dietary fiber for your gut health, and may even support heart health with their anti-inflammatory properties. We've walked through how raw onions can potentially reduce the risk of certain cancers, and how their antibacterial properties may help fight off harmful bacteria. Not to mention, they're a great source of vitamins and minerals like vitamin C and potassium. But here's the best part. Onions are accessible, affordable, and incredibly versatile. You can easily add them to salads, sandwiches, wraps, and even your morning green juice. They seamlessly blend into various cuisines, adding a flavor kick and a health boost. Remember, a raw onion a day could help keep the doctor away, so why not start incorporating more of this fantastic vegetable into your diet?